Pat Miranda, the new controller for Vault Hard Drives Incorporated, has just returned from a seminar on the choice of the activity level in the predetermined overhead rate. Even though the subject did not sound exciting at first, she found that there were some important ideas presented that she should get a hearing at her company. After returning from the seminar, she arranged a meeting with the productions manager, Jay Stevens, and the assistant production manager, Marvin Washington. Pat, I ran across an idea that I wanted to check out with both of you. It's about the way we compute predetermined overhead rates. Jay, we're all ears. We compute the predetermined overhead rate by dividing the estimated total factory overhead for the coming year with which is all a fixed cost by the estimated total units produced for the coming year. We've been doing that as long as I've been with the company, Marvin said. Jay, and it's been done that way at every other company I've worked at, except at most places they divide by the direct labor hours. Pat, we use units because it's simpler and we basically make one product with minor variations. But there's another way to do it. Instead of basing the overhead rate on the estimated total units produced for the coming year, we could base it on the total units produced at capacity. Oh, the marketing department would love that. It will drop the cost on all of your products. They will go wild over their cutting prices. That is a worry, but I want to talk to both of you first before going over to marketing. Aren't you always going to have a lot of unused capacity costs? That's correct, but let me show you how we will handle it. Here's an example based on our budget for next year. Jay, whoa, I don't think I like the looks of that. Cost of unused capacity? If that thing shows up on the income statement, someone from headquarters is likely to come down here looking for some people to lay off. Marvin, I'm worried about something else. Too. What happens when sales are not up to expectations? Can we pull the hat trick? Pat, I'm sorry. I don't understand. Marvin's talking about something that happens fairly regularly. When sales are down and profits look like they are going to be lower than the president told the owners they were going to be, the president comes down here and asks us to deliver some more profit. And we all pull them out of our hat. Yeah, we just increase production until we get the profits we want. Pat, I still don't understand. You mean you increase sales? Nope. We increase production. We're the production managers, not the sales managers. No, we increased. I got it. Because you have produced more, the sales force has more units it could sell. Nope. The marketing people don't do a thing. They just build inventory, and that does the trick. Net operating income, traditional format. Sales were determined by multiplying 7,000 units by $71. Variable manufacturing by multiplying 77,000 units by $17. Manufacturing overhead was determined by multiplying 77,000 units by $26, thus giving us our gross margin, coming up with sales minus manufacturing overhead, giving us sales and administration, which was given. Then we come to net operating income. We got to this of gross margin minus selling and administration. Net operation income with the new format, we got that by the sales. We came up with 77,000 units times $71. Cost of goods sold. And we did the variable manufacturing, which was 77,000 units times $17. Manufacturing overhead, multiplying 77,000 units by $21.32. Cost of unused capacity was given. Selling and administration was also given. The net operating income, we got to and using the traditional format, additional net operation income, the desired net operational income of 225,000 minus the 85,000 gross margin gave us that answer. Overhead applied per unit was given to us. An additional output, we took the 140,000 divided by the $26. 82,000 estimated number of units was given to us. Actual number of units was the additional output 5,385 units plus the estimated units of 82,000, and that gave us, in a new format we used additional net operation income. We took the desired net operational income of 25,000 minus 61,600 gross margin, and we came up with that number. Overhead applied per unit of 2132 is given to us. The additional output, we took 63,400, divided it by 2132, and that gave us the additional output. The estimated number of units was given of 82,000. And then to get the actual number of units, we divided the additional output of 7664 plus the estimated units of 82,000, and that gave us our actual number of units. Thank you.